Hey guys, it is me Astrid, and today I am coming at you with, guess what? A Cattleya, the thing I have like 4 of only. And I'm really excited to show you, so let's not continue blabbing. Let's show you. All right, so this is my wonderful Cattleya orchid that I bought from Trader Joe's maybe three to 4 years ago. So I've had this quite a while. Um, First, let's say it's a no ID. It's from Trader Joe's. I do not know the ID, and there are so many Cattleyas that look pretty similar to this that I'm not going to bother trying to figure it out. Forget it. Um, Next up is what I like about it. Let's talk about this. This is like my favorite kind of Cattleya orchid, and Rachel, I'm so sorry, but my favorite kind of Cattleya orchid is not the frilly kind. It's this nice kind of streamlined Cattleya. I like the Cattleya flowers that I have to have a big nose or column. I call it a nose because it looks like, you know, those like fake disguise noses with mustache and nose and glasses. It looks like that to me, and that I like that for some reason. And of course, my most favorite thing about this Cattleya is that it's pink. And pink is my favorite color. You may not believe that, but it is. And I really like it. And of course, we've got the very hinged lip on these. All right, so let's talk about the fragrance, which is my actual most favorite thing about this. It's so good. This smells like a mixture of Hand of Buddha citron and roses. For those of you who don't know what Hand of Buddha citron is, you totes should look it up. It's this crazy citrus fruit without very much pulp in it, and it has like the most, it epitomizes what I think citrus, the gold standard for a citrus fragrance. Like, it's incredible. And every December or January when Fred Meyer starts getting Hand of Buddha citrons in, I will always buy one so that I can just hold it and smell it. Or sometimes I break off one of the fingers on it and take it and huff it and get my fix, but don't tell anyone. It's the best. And then of course roses are also wonderful. So when I'm writing in my journal or something, I just sit and I'm like, you can tell I don't write with my left hand. But yeah, it's a wonderful fragrance. The next thing we should talk about is that this thing has been in semi-hydro for the entire time. And as you can see, we've got a nice healthy root system. This year, off of this growth, we've got these roots coming down and filling the pot. It's been doing really well in semi-hydro. And it's been doing well under my abuse and neglect. So good job. The other thing is that people always say when you get a no ID Cattleya at the store that's small, it's not gonna stay small. It's gonna get big. And when I got this one, this is like one of the first growths that was on it. Like, it was teensy. And I think it maybe had this one and this one. So it had like these little growths. And the next year got this one and this one and this one and this. And you can see this newest growth is probably double in size from the older one, including like the mass and everything. So they do get bigger. This one seems like it's gonna stay reasonably compact. But yeah, the last thing that's really exciting about this orchid for me is that every year this has bloomed with like 1 flower, 2 flowers, maybe 3. And when the spike came up this year and I saw how many buds was on it, I was ecstatic because it has 11 blooms. I've never had such a successful bloom with the Cattleya. And it goes to show you that the best way to get a nice bloom display on an orchid is to have it be well established over a number of years. It needs good roots, it needs consistent care, and it needs to have quite a few growths, and then it can make a nice, beautiful bloom display for you. So that's what this one has done. And I think it's been in bloom for like 2 weeks. I am so happy to share this orchid with you guys. I could keep talking, but I think I'll stop now. Thank you so much for watching and happy growing. Bye.